Hey out there in YouTube land, this is Daytime Number the Beast once again, and this is kind of a quick video to remind you of why you should be careful when you print anything in resin and set the hollow settings and not putting kind of drain holes. These are a pair of legs I had made for an Imperial Titan, and I think I did this about 2 years ago. And obviously I didn't pay attention to the when I set the settings for the hollow printing, and I did not print any I didn't put any drain holes in like I should have. But this is what happens when you print hollow, and again, don't put any drain holes in. The resin will get trapped inside, it will continue to release gas, and will eventually cause everything to shatter. This is actually rather spectacular how much this all cracked open. But anyway, this is just a, learn from my lesson. Be careful when you set up your settings and do any printing.